The CAG report underscores the poor construction quality of
कॉलेज कैंपस में
classrooms.
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इश्यूज
हॉस्टल और
लगातार
क्लासरूम
बढ़ते जा रहे
फैसिलिटीज
हैं।
पानी बिजली और
मेंटेनेंस
स्टूडेंट्स का कहना है मेंटेनेंस इश्यूज पर शिकायतें तो होती हैं लेकिन उनका सॉल्यूशन टाइम पर नहीं मिलता।
These issues aren't new. They exist everywhere in the campus. The main problem is in the reporting. Even today, complaints are registered through forms, emails, and calls. When data is scattered, issues lose context. No clear priority, no visibility of recurring problems, no way to identify high risk zones. So we asked one simple question: what if all the complaints come under one place? We Team Innovex introduce our solution, CampusCare, which is a centralized AI-driven system where every reported issue is visualized, analyzed, and prioritized in real time. For the first time, administrators not just see the issues, but now they could take right actions. So this is a live demonstration of our prototype. Users can get started by logging in quickly using their Google account. Once logged in, they arrive at the main dashboard where they can access the heatmap view, report issues, and my issues section where they can track their reported issues. In the heatmap view, users can see all the reported campus issues displayed on a map with the markers representing different categories such as plumbing, electrical, and infrastructure related problems. Users can simply zoom into specific locations to identify exact problem areas and can also apply filters to view issues by category, helping them understand issue concentration across the campus. To report a new issue, the user simply enters a brief description in a form of text, could also elaborate the issue in the description section, optionally records a voice note for clarity, select the issue category, chooses the location and the room number, and uploads an image before submitting the issue. Once submitted, the issue appears in My Issues section where users can track its status in real time, whether it is pending, in progress, or resolved. This ensures transparency and keeps users informed throughout the resolution process. Users could also upvote some common issues from the campus alert section. The platform also introduces rewards, badges, and leaderboard section for the users to promote active participation and recognize their continuous efforts. On the administrator side, all reported issues are centralized into a single analytics dashboard. Real-time heat maps and priority lists provide instant visibility into recurring problems, high-risk zones, and severity trends. With full control to prioritize, assign, and track resolutions, decisions shift from reactive handling to proactive data-driven management.